The leverage, not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage, not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
Yo. Wagwan people. Don't know, say Eclipse. Leverage Boss. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. And today, vlog, we are gonna go a Spice and Alkaline show in Miami. You don't know, the name was Scorch. Yeah, Scorch. You see me? So that we are do. So people, we are show you a little bit on the way. And then show you the show. It's gonna be a small vlog, but you don't know. Lucky in the thing, you know. So let's roll with me.
Somebody feel good.
Yo, Leverage Nation. You know, say right now in Miami. And we are about to set this good. Yeah, we are about to go to the Alkaline and Spice show in our key biscuit, but right now we're just there in the town. We're going easy. I never know exactly, but right now about 9:35. We don't know about 10 o'clock we are reaching, you know. So check in next time when you see me. We are walk going on the show and thing. That's like to make a quick stop, you know. Yeah, leverage. Oh, remember to like, comment and subscribe, because you don't know the vlog will get better. Eclipse, Leverage Nation, daily life, daily things, you know? Yeah, man. Take a trip to the place, hold on, let me turn it around, you know? Yeah man, Leverage Nation. I don't know anything though. Leverage Nation. Right now we are going on the Alkaline show with Spice. And right now they are Ricking Baker Causeway. Yeah man, I go cross the causeway, you know. See it there? One bag of building them right now, the power way. Yeah man, you know the leverage. Alright. So we have 3 minutes before we reach. And anything go. I'll show you the place and hopefully we can show you the top people that are performing, you know. On the bridge. That is it. can see stage right there. Over this way, you know? So it's good for walking.
If you're ready for spice, take out your phone, put some flag, put some light in the air for the queen of dancehall, Spice!
Now this is the original Spice and of Snapchat, listen. Show from the dead. Come with it. Look at the witch man ready to hackle on me back. Me no back from body and me no take back no chance. Boom boom, I come on back when it come me back in. I saw this come on the leg. Put it here, feet up here and natty. Bust it up in the belly. Man see me now my little G-string. I want beat up my little ting-a-ling. So me a say, Lord, I'm in a romantic. I'm fucking with my because the boy cut me up in the corner and he might tear out the whole of me vagina. Me said the boy cut me up in the and he might tear out the whole of me. Best the one. How you feeling? What the tight pussy girl them there? What the clean mouth girl them there? What the smell good girl them there? Pull up. You know when me come out, me not come for each one of there a long time. The next time when me ever sing on every girl I gonna like it, and every girl can skin out, cause you have some girl them pussy stink no blood clot. Drop it. of the crowd. Go down and a wine and a bubble and batija. Bust a hug up and a wine up me body and a bubble and. Anybody? Okay. Now you know when I go anywhere, I never travel alone. You know that, right? Wanna look good, eh? Wanna look so good? Wanna look pretty? Wanna dress me look? Fully and no jello. You come and like a Lego. You fucking me the sneakers, arena you still let them. Make your body shot, clap up like a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. Any girl no like me, tell them kiss me round. Clap, 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 clap. Make your body shot, clap up like a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. See it so clean, you don't hear the teachers. Clap, 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 clap. I got the hot box, pussy pretty plus that's man, love it, that's fast. Clean bikini, waxy, watch me to the max like a big coin star. Give it up for my dancers real quick. Now these poles are really sharp. Ladies, don't leave. Let me just introduce you real quick. I want you to show this crowd what y'all really made of. Find out the best pose for me. But me just introduce my dancers real quick. This is Katisha. Them always say me wait until the pole gets slippery. Let me see what you got. This is Katisha. I wonder if she can walk on this pole. The pole them really short. But let me see what she got. This is Crystal. This is Crystal. Okay, Crystal. And this is Naira. Give it up for Naira. This is Rosie. Thank you, Rosie. Someone will clit outside. Don't have to go get a bigger panty seat. Now I introduce y'all to my dancers. Because you know I love my female besties real good. You know that, right? But one thing with me, I'm strictly dickless. So right now, too much pum up on the stage. So one on off, you gonna let me a man real quick to come on the stage. Got too much pum up here, so they come like it a waste. So if you go borrow on our phone, you hold on for fear man tight. I fear man this in the orange. As you hear me start say, borrow a man, who no send a man come let me, you hold on for the man arm. You can't let me a man. You're afraid to let me a man? Him can't whine. But would I teach him and send him back home to you so him can fuck you good when he reach home? One hour we're brave enough, send a man come let fluffy where your man there. You never carry him. Send him, come up here, son. Come up on the stage. And let me tell you something, that be a big ass who want to ride pan. So if you know you cannot manage, don't come up here, come flap yourself. And this man, I'm sister on him face, him can't manage, you know. Me need a next somebody. You walk on and waste all the cocky in the crowd. Let me a man, I hear a man that. Send him up here, some man. When you stand up there, so you see be a pum up here, so dog. What do you?
Are you ready? Hold on. Is there any vendetta fans in the building? Is there any vendetta fans?
massive. Alright.
Yo.
Hey, Miami, we don't take chance. Don't tell me more when you are going to win, you know you can't defend that. Hey, anything from a word in a word. Hey, Miami, we don't try to kick up here 2 o'clock. We what's the up is the rascal. The line gunshot in the look. Boom. You see it, that time enough. Hey, Miami. Again. Hey, again. Awesome, right. Them not trying. Them a pussy and living now. And them can't feel rent. My God, but them not ashamed rock pocket. Oh, go. Mr. Them not trying. Can't tell me if you hear it. And I do is if you touch it, I ain't bad, said the boy. Hey, Miami, what you know? Fuck it. I'm 14, never too busy. Stupid. Mother ass clock, you know, Miami. Well, let the guns and them, and see if they get them on, or back lad. Look! Fuck with the fuck of them and be say. Look! They talk about me like every day, we talk about them like. Alright then, everybody just a follow away. We can't be all out with that day. Sweet now, we have the gas up like every day. Everybody feels this now, let them know what's here. One of the train of them. This one of them two, we ain't good to see it. One time I never two, they got number 50. Hey, you know what I'm going to do with it because I don't be on. They never care enough of it. Somebody couldn't tell me, say that's the way of yours. We said GPS and now. Different. Let's do I want this come down, you know. It's not no response, you know. Hey, Miami, we tell some pussy. No, now I feel like we're going to stop your mother. Put it down and stop her. What's me out together with these? Get it over now, keep it the hammer. Beat the party down now. Get them on the morning, stick to your whistle. Nah, get up. No, them there one we are. Have everybody feet just like Michael Jackson. When we have heard them, they're laughing. I know bloody on me, I even dancing on me. We make money to the family, yeah. Yo, Miami, yo, them there one we here. No Italiano. Just about to leave the job and you will get the fuck up. We live a young life, we don't know fear. And if we go away, tell the fans them not kind of dear. Me let us see we never. Yeah, them a ball already, I would have when I was prime. I swear from that about the forward. Them say them happy, yo, them there one we are. We got to come back with it. Different to them.
From high school, yeah.
I don't want to say one of them up here. This is some signal for one.
Tell them nobody ever take you serious, isn't it?
Hey, Miami, run, sir. Run over. What we make them do, yo? Hey, Miami, I'm out of the morning. Don't broke like me. Before the bubble, we'll see I'm out of the like say I'm not even running. Fall into the service and I'm me, I'm out of that's not the president, that's how it. Every day, I'm out of the morning. And the money. The money. Take the part on us. Yeah. No money then. Alright then. Nobody hear me there. Nobody say. Hey, Miami, yo. Tired of right there. So what's up, bros, right? Different. Yo. All who know to the Man Club. Represent Panawania. You see me? One of a gold medal pan winner. Champion boy, you know what it. Yeah, signal, hey! You come make them go, Manchella, goddamn boy. That's where everybody hit the champion boy. Rich girl in the Hamptons boy. Wish I never waited at the champion boy. If I know, now man I don't got Samsas boy. Right, every week we are there. Just for some fire mansion boy. Champion, me at the champion boy. Alright, I'm more than money and we have more than fame and we don't need no more driver. Different.
Me a couple dogs, me know that them for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty.
Before you come with the family, them boy man just come down there. I can go take a dog and my man run for with. The money they pay no mean.
If you are free when I'm a bird, I don't want for free.
If they violate, them dead right now, you know. Yeah, after all, that can just how we put up. Yeah, after all right That's right.
Think we are police.
Kick out to one boy, get it in his leg. Different.
Yeah. You know, so we all left the Spice and Alkaline show. I don't know right now. And the vibe. So I don't know, you know. It was a good show. Them do them thing, you know. So that is it. I'm out. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. You see me, and share the video. Leverage nation. Yeah man. You don't know anything though. Boom, I'm out.